Hello everyone, I welcome you all at APSON. Today we have with us Mr. Suraj from Vittur and the President of EECMAI with us. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Yourself?
I'm good, sir. What are your views on APSON and the contribution of APSON to the elevator industry?
Well, APSON is a well-known name in the elevator industry, and especially at this expo, I think they have set some new standards, some new records. The recently launched Chetak, that's really a benchmark by itself. I mean, just imagine 12 meters per second machine that's capable of lifting up to 28 tons. That's really something awesome. But other than just the products, which by the way is well known in the industry, I think Hiren himself, by his leadership, has demonstrated what it takes to be a leader in this field. What I have seen is he's the vice president of EECMAI. He's ably helping me get the job done for EECMAI, and he's been actually the kind of the fulcrum around which the organization, very energetic, very jovial, and a person who is ready to take on any challenge. And on a lighter note, I would say that even if you look at the expo, the way he has been walking around with his bodyguards and all the glamour, he's the one who actually brought glamour into this show, if I can say it that way.
Yeah, that was very nice of you. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.